Hello and welcome to Hugo's How to Make the Perfect English Garden. The ingredients that you will need for this are gin, we use a Bombay dry gin, elderflower liqueur, half a lemon and some apple juice. The equipment that you will need is a cocktail shaker, a cocktail strainer, a tall glass and ice. First of all, we're going to take our cocktail shaker and we're going to put a double shot of gin in it. We use Bombay dry gin. You're then going to put a single shot of elderflower. This helps us sweeten it up a little bit. We're then going to squeeze half a lemon into your shaker. And then we're going to add our apple juice. With our mixture ready, we're going to add ice to shake with. You're going to shake for about 13 seconds to chill our mixture down. Once you have chilled your mixture, you're going to use your cocktail strainer and you're going to strain it over ice to keep it chilled. And that is your perfect English garden. Enjoy!